Home Remedies presents
Potato peels to turn grey hair black naturally. Don't toss potato peels in the dustbin. Instead, use them to turn your grey hair black using this easy home remedy. Although it is not a permanent treatment, potato skins can add some much-needed luster to your hair and can prove to be one of the potent ingredients to darken grey hair. The starch in the vegetable acts as a natural colorant which helps to restore and preserve color pigments in hair and prevent further graying of hair. Let's see how to use it. Ingredients: potato peels 7 to 8 potatoes, water 3 cups. Procedure: boil the 3 cups of water in a pan and add the peels to it. Let the mixture boil until the starch solution starts to foam. Cover the lid and boil the peels on low flame in the water for 30 to 35 minutes. Remove it from the stove and let it cool for 20 to 25 minutes. Once cold, strain the solution. After washing your hair, use potato peel water for the last rinse for some good scalp stimulation. Using cold water, rinse your hair gently. Let it dry naturally. Use this remedy twice a week to see results.
If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that others can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.